On this episode of What It Looks Like, we have this new meal, or at least it's new to me. It's Marie Callender's Pub Steak and Ale. Now, I've never seen this before, but I was at the grocery store. I was walking by and I saw it. The food on the box looks so good, I had to try it out and let you guys know what I think. Look at how this looks. Can you see that? Doesn't that look good? So we're gonna see what it smells like, what it tastes like, and of course, what it looks like, starting right this second. Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. The food on the box look good, don't it? Should you buy it, should you wait, should you jump on it? You wanna know if it's good, does it taste right? Wanna try before you buy it, what it looks like. Hey, what it looks like. Hey, what it looks like. Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. What it looks like. Hey, what it looks like. Alright, first thing we gotta do as always is open up the box so we can get to the contents inside. Wow, these things look big. I know the box is pretty heavy. But before we see what it looks like, let's check out the nutritional facts. 2 servings per container. Serving size, 1 piece. Calories, 790. Total fat, 51 grams. Saturated fat, 29 grams. Trans fat, 1.5 grams. Did not realize it had trans fat in it. Cholesterol, 135 milligrams. Sodium, 1,210 milligrams. Total carbohydrates, 62 grams. Dietary fiber, 4 grams. Total sugars, 5 grams. Protein, 21 grams. And now, let's see what it looks like. What it looks like is similar to the box at first until you come around and you start looking inside of it. And when you look inside, you see more potatoes and less meat than what you see on the box. See, on the box, it looks like it's filled with meat. The potatoes look whole, whereas these, they look kind of mushy. You can also see the carrots in there, which you do see carrots in this one too. But also notice how the meat seems to be more focused on top in real life than in the box. It seems like it's more meat all the way inside of the dish here. Also, now I do like the crust. It did cook somewhat golden brown like you see on the box here, but it doesn't, it's tough to say that it really looks like the picture. The gravy doesn't look like it looks on the box. On the box here, it looks somewhat brown, whereas what you see in real life is sort of a white gravy, like almost a creamy gravy like. Definitely see a lot of carrots in there as well. The top here, the top does look like the box, as you can see here. Overall, I think it's decent. I wouldn't say that it is exactly like the box though. It's not that they're deceiving us, I would say. It's not a deception. This actually doesn't smell very good. I don't know what I'm smelling. The crust smells okay, but the insides of this, this does not smell good at all. Yeah, I don't like the way this smells. It smells like something that probably should not be eaten. And why am I still smelling it? I'm not sure, but I do not like the way this smells. Okay, here we go. I'm a little nervous about this one after the way it smelled. Okay, let's do it. Okay, all right, here we go. Oh my God, I do not like this. I don't know what this is I'm tasting. It does not taste good. Let me look at the box. It says pub style steak and ale, hearty beef, and rich brown ale gravy. Maybe it's the ale gravy I'm tasting, but whatever it is, oh my goodness, I do not like I do not like the way this tastes. And look at this, it looks so good on the box, but my goodness, I cannot recommend this. And I paid $8.99 for these two little patties here, and man, it was not worth it. So I mean, hey, you can try it if you want to, but don't tell nobody you heard it from me that it was good. I can't take another bite of this. And the strange thing is that this is the first Marie Callender meal that I've had that just was not good. I've never had a Marie Callender meal that I thought was bad until today. So I don't know what's up with Marie Callender in this particular meal. Maybe they need to stick to the pot pies or something, but don't do this one again. Welcome to the W.I.L.L Awards, where the contestants will be judged on smell, taste, and of course, what it looks like. Each contestant must score at least 20 points. And let's go to the judges on the first category of smell. And guess what? I'm never eating again. Don't do it. Next up is taste. It's gotta be a 3 from me. And now for that all-important category, what it looks like. It's a 4, bro. Boo! Boo! Thank you for watching another one of our What It Looks Like videos. We are committed to bringing you our honest opinion about the way it smells, tastes, and of course, what it looks like. So please like and subscribe today. Hit that notification bell so you never miss another one of our videos. And if there is a food product you would like for us to try before you buy, please leave us a comment below, and if we can find it, we will show you what it looks like. No animals were harmed in the making of this video. However, they may or may not have been harmed in the making of the contestant, but we had nothing to do with that. We promise, honestly, you can trust